Hello guys, today we have more guns. This first gun, shotgun. Wow, wow, very nice. Let's go next. Wow, this blue pistol, blue small pistol. Shoo shoo and bam. Wow, nice. Wow, this very big shotgun. Oh, let's go check and bam, nice. Wow, look at here. It is water gun. And boom, 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 boom. Wow, water gun, nice. Wow, look at here. It is Nerf gun. Wow, very nice. It is Fortnite pistol. And wow, no, it's not bullet. And wow, this very big water gun. Wow, nice, very nice. And this last pistol, this Arbis pistol, and pow, 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 pow. Let's go testing. Wow, this is so shotgun. Your have 6 bullet. Let's go test. And focus here. And wow. And wow. Ooh, nice gun. And whoa, very nice. We have 3 bullet and wow, nice. Very good. This last bullet. Wow. Good gun. Wow, this pistol. And choke. Bullet here and wow. Oh no. And wow. Hey, nice. Small pistol. And wow. Nice. And wow. Oh, good. Let's go testing. Next, this is Fortnite big pistol. And big bullet here. Hop. And wow. Oh no. Wow. It's no good bullet. No good bullet. Let's go next. Wow, look at here. This bullet good. And wow. And wow, very good. And wow. It's not good. Wow. Oh, nice. And nice. We have 2 bullets. And wow. It is last bullet and wow. Good gun, guys. Good gun. thank you for watching and bye.